How to install SuccessFactor app. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. So first of all, launch the Play Store application on your device and make sure you are logged into your account. As you're logged into your account, tap on the search bar at the top of the screen and simply select and search for SuccessFactor. So let's search for the app over here, and as you tap on it, you can see the app over here. Simply tap on install and start installing the application. Now make sure you have stable Wi-Fi connection on your device, and if you do not have a stable Wi-Fi connection, you can switch to a cellular data as well. So you can simply install the application. It might take a while depending on the connection that you have or the type of connection that you have, and as you have installed the application, it will just help us to open up the application and use it. So we just have to wait for a bit and we'll be able to just tap on open and open the application and install it. So that's it. Thank you so much for watching this video and see you next time.